Hello everyone, Sar here. I got a Simon Says card kit, and I haven't done an unboxing for quite a while because I just never had time to do it, and really there's so many people who do reveals that, it's not like no one knows what's in these things, but I just like to reveal. I just like to do it, so it probably won't be something I do all the time, but I thought I'd do this one. And one of the reasons is I honestly cannot remember what is inside this one. This is September's, I believe. I'm losing track. I think this is September's Simon Says card kit. These card kits are coming later and later every month. It's silly. But, oops, I shouldn't show you my address. Sorry about that. Okay, so I really don't remember what's in it, so this is going to be kind of a surprise as well. So I remember looking, but I just don't remember. So you do get some Tim Holtz Ideology Design tape. Right off the bat, I can see this really pretty silver one. This one reminds me of the... If you hadn't seen one of the videos, I was gifted a pink and main, and it had a red one, a little bit thicker, I believe. So that's going to be kind of fun, especially for Christmas. The red and silver tape will be really pretty. I don't think my camera likes looking at that, though. I am not one for washi tape, to be honest. Oh, this is designer tape, so I'm not sure what the difference between designer tape and washi tape. I'm assuming it's the same thing. It feels the same. It's probably just Tim Holtz naming convention. But it is pretty cool. I just don't know what to do with them. I don't use washi tape enough to ever use this, but I do like the look of it, if that makes sense. Okay, what else is in here? You always get the candy. I give this to my partner. This one is banana. That is not going to be something they like. Okay. This one is definitely different from the others. It doesn't look the same. And it's starting to jog my memory. Oh no, everything's just falling all over the place. Okay. So you get some liquid pearls. I am assuming this is going to be very similar to Nuvo Drops. And it is kind of like a copper color. Brass. So that's kind of cool. I did get a glue stick. I'm not sure if this is locked. So I haven't used a glue stick since elementary school, so this will be interesting. I wonder how this fares in comparison to liquid glue. I do like their tacky glue. The last one, okay, so what we got tacky glue, and then we got the tape runner, which I wasn't a fan of, I'm not a fan of tape runners, and now we have the craft glue. So this would be really interesting to play. I like to learn about my different glues. Just depending on what I'm doing. So I do appreciate that. You do get 3 envelopes. I love these. I use these personally for my photography. I haven't been doing that lately just because I'm in the midst of moving. I did sell my house. I don't think I've actually announced it, but I will be moving in the end of October. So everything is all over the place. So that's why I'm not really doing the same regime that I normally do. Okay, what else do we got in here? There's a lot of goodies in here. Okay, so we also do get some pattern paper. And it's definitely not fall. I was expecting to see fall September? Yeah, because October, like the way these kits come, I have a feeling like September should really be our Halloween, because if October is fall, I'm not going to get it until November, and then it's kind of already too late. So I don't think they take that in consideration when they start sending these kits out. But needless to say, I am very grateful of this. I can always use it. It's not like I throw in the garbage because it's out of season. So this will probably be used in the spring of next year. But really pretty. I love these. I will probably cut this out. I'll probably fussy cut that out. Lots of little cutaways. So that's really cute. Really cute paper. We get some, this looks probably like Tim Holtz as well. Bunch of little sentiments. I do like these. I love the white on black. And so these kind of have that, it's like a label writer. And you just typed it and they printed it out. So that's, I love these to use for little sentiments. There is also some paper. So what we got here? We have 3 colors and then the Neenah white. Very pretty. They actually match the paper very well. And there's 2 humongous stamp sets. Look at this. Look at that. That is awesome. I'm definitely going to have a lot of fun coloring this. And the nice thing about this is I do A2 size cards, so you can do it over the image here. You can do it up here. You can do it just the center. Like, this is a huge image. That is really cool. And nice little sentiments. Happy birthdays and wishes. And this is very unlike Simon Says to get 2 huge stamps. Like, usually you get a small one maybe, but not 2 big ones. And there's another beautiful floral arrangement. And I love these type of stamps, the blocky ones. Those are fun. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a lot of fun. And then the last thing in the kit, I love these little envelopes, is the Happy Birthday die. No shadow this time, just the sentiment. I think it's, oh, it's yeah. So happy birthday. And it will look like that. So that's it. This is a very interesting kit. Once again, I think it's a little late. I really do feel that it should have been fall by now. Like I said, just because it is already October very shortly. But maybe they aren't going to do a fall card kit. Maybe they'll do a special one. I've already seen one of them for Halloween. I think it's still available. I just wasn't overly impressed with it. You're paying for a higher price, and I don't like the additional things in it. So, because don't forget, I am also from Canada, so the conversion rate would have taken it almost to $100, and then I have to pay for shipping. Probably about like $80, $90, I'm thinking the card kit would have cost. So this is awesome. Don't know if I'll play with the pattern paper, but definitely I will make some fall sunflowers. There we go. Yeah, what am I talking about? Sunflowers are perfect for fall. Okay, I digress. I'm wrong. This is definitely an awesome card kit. I'm very happy, and I can't wait to get playing with this. Thank you so much for joining me. I can't wait to get into this card kit. It looks like a lot of fun, and I'm going to have lots of learning to do with all these little pieces that I've never played with before. So look forward to seeing that in the near future, most likely end of October or near the end of the month to October. We'll see, but fingers crossed that I do get it sometime, maybe in the couple weeks. Thank you so much for joining me. Have yourself a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.